Chapter 9. Introduction to HTML. Topics covered. Basics of HTML. HTML rules and code. HTML elements and attributes. HTML. Tim Berners-Lee. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is a programming language created by Tim Berners-Lee in late 1991. It is used to create web pages in the form of documents to display on a browser with or without the help of Internet. The word HTML is made up of two terms which are hypertext and markup. Hypertext. The text that allows you to arrange the data on the web page is known as the hypertext. You can create links between different parts of the same document or whole different documents by making the use of it. Markup. Markup is the program code that entitles the parts of the HTML document which are arranged on the web page. There are some features of HTML which are described below. It is easy to understand and use. No additional software is required to execute the HTML code. It allows you to display different multimedia components together in a web page. It can be used with all kinds of browsers. It does not require prior knowledge of any programming language. HTML rules. There are some specific rules that you need to keep in mind when you are creating a web page using HTML. Some of these rules are described ahead. Names of HTML tags and attributes are not case-sensitive, i.e., the meaning of HTML and HTML is same. Web browsers do not recognize spaces in a HTML tag. Hence, if you insert a space in a tag, the browser may display the wrong output. For example, HTML is an incorrect tag. The HTML elements can contain one or more elements within them. For example, you can use both B and U tags together, as BU bold and underline text UB. Putting quotes around the values of HTML attributes is unnecessary. HTML code. There are certain components that make up an HTML code in the document. They are elements, tags and attributes. HTML elements and tags. Given below is the basic difference between an HTML element and an HTML tag. HTML tags. HTML elements. An HTML tag is only a starting and ending unit. An HTML element is used to structure the HTML document. It starts with a less than sign, less than, followed by its name and ends with a greater than sign, greater than. An HTML element is the assembly of a starting tag, its attributes, the content and an ending tag. For example, less than p greater than is an HTML tag used to begin a paragraph. For example, less than p greater than this is a paragraph, less than / p greater than is altogether an HTML element. An HTML element can be of two types which are described below. Container element. A container element has both opening and closing tags. For example, less than p greater than my first paragraph, less than / p greater than. Empty element. An empty element only contains the opening tag and does not require a closing tag. For example, the BR tag is an empty element which is used to insert a line break. Attributes of an element. Syntax of an HTML element. Starting tag, attribute, name, value, content, closing tag. An HTML element can contain various attributes which specify their properties. Each attribute has a name and a value and they are specified inside the opening tag after the tag name. For example, font face Calibri color equals red size Attenware. Face, color and size are the attributes of the font element, and Calibri, red and 10 are their values, respectively. Structure of an HTML document. The fundamental structure of an HTML document is given below. HTML. Head. Title. /title. Head. Body. /body. /HTML. Cyber tidbits. Earlier, Microsoft Front Page was one of the most widely used WYSIWYG HTML editors, but now it is discontinued. Editing the HTML documents. The basic tools which are needed to create an HTML document are an HTML editor, to create and save the documents, and a web browser, to view the documents. HTML editor. An HTML editor is a software application which is used to create and save HTML documents. There are two main types of HTML editors: WYSIWYG and text editor. WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get, editor. A WYSIWYG editor provides a system and some tools to develop web pages easily. In this editor, you do not need to write an HTML code. Instead, you directly insert graphics, hyperlinks and tables in your web page, and automatically, the code is generated. The main advantage of this editor is that you can create web pages without having knowledge of HTML tags. Some examples of WYSIWYG HTML editors are Adobe Dreamweaver, Microsoft Publisher, and Google Web Designer. Text editor. When you have some knowledge on how to write an HTML code, a text editor can also be used. Some examples of text editors are WordPad, Notepad, and Microsoft Word. Creating and saving an HTML document. To create and save an HTML document using Notepad, follow the steps given ahead. Step 1. Open Notepad from the Windows Accessories folder in the Start menu. Step 2. Type the following HTML code. Sample HTML document. Step 3. Save the file with the extension HTML. Viewing an HTML document. You can use any web browser such as Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Mozilla Firefox to view a web page. All the information given and formatted in the body tag is displayed in the browser without the tags, elements, and attributes. To view a HTML document in Google Chrome browser, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Open Google Chrome from the Start menu. Step 2. Press the keyboard key combination Ctrl-O. The open dialog box appears. Step 3. Locate and select the HTML document you want to view and click Open. The file will open in the browser, displaying only the content in the body tag. Open dialog box. Viewing an HTML document in Google Chrome. Cyber tidbits. To view the changes you make in the text document, you will have to first save the changes in the text document. Close the text document window and refresh the web page in the browser by pressing the F5 key on the keyboard. Some basic HTML elements. Every HTML document consists of 4 major container elements, namely HTML, head, title, and body. HTML element. The first element in any HTML document is the less than greater than element. It defines the document as an HTML document. Hence, every document starts and ends with an opening less than HTML greater than tag and closing less than /HTML greater than tag respectively. This element contains head and body elements as well, which further contain many other elements. Head element. The less than head greater than element defines the identity of the document and includes some additional information such as the title and keywords. The content in this element is not displayed in the browser. Title element. The title element defines the title of the web page, which is displayed on the title bar of the browser. This element is always enclosed within the head element. Body element. The body element contains the main content of the web page, which is displayed on the web page in the browser. It includes text, images, tables, hyperlinks, etc. The body element follows the head element and the /body element appears just before the /HTML element. This element has many attributes such as background, bg color, text, left margin and top margin attributes. Let us study about these attributes in detail. Background attribute. The background attribute is used to define the background of a web page for which you can use either an image or some text converted into an image. The image, which you use as the background, is styled throughout the web page, by default. Syntax: body background URL or path/file name/body where URL or path/file name is the location of the image you want to as the background of the web page. Given below is an HTML code which sets a star tile throughout as the background image of the web page. HTML. Head. Title background attribute /title /head. Body background equals DSTAR-JPG. An image of a star is styled throughout. /body /HTML. Output of the HTML code for background attribute. BG color attribute. The default background color of the web page is white. To change it, the color attribute is used. Syntax: body color name/body where RRGGBB is a 6-digit hexadecimal color code. A hexadecimal color code is formed by the combination of red, green and blue colors. It is represented using the formula of RRGGBB, where RR is the hexadecimal value of red color, GG is the hexadecimal value of green color and BB is the hexadecimal value of blue color. These numbers are always led with a ## symbol. Some of the hexadecimal color codes applicable in HTML code are given below in the table. Color. Hexadecimal code. Color. Hexadecimal code. Black. #000000. Maroon. #800000. White. #FFFFFF. Green. #008000. Silver. #C0C0C0. Purple. #800080. Olive. #80800. Orange. #FF9900. Red. #FF0000. Alice Blue. #F0F8FF. Aqua. #00FFFF. Brown. #A52A2A. Blue. #0000FF. Linen. #FIF4ECH. Yellow. #FFFF00. Teal. #008080. Orchid. #DIA70D6. Given below is an HTML code which sets the background color of the web page. HTML. Head. Title color attribute /title. Head. Body color teal. The color of the background is set to teal. Body. HTML. Output of the HTML code for color attribute. Text attribute. The default color of the text in the body of an HTML web page is black. To change it, the text attribute is used. Same as the background color in the color attribute, the text color is represented in hexadecimal numbers. Syntax: body TEXTRRGGBBBODY where. Given below is an HTML code which sets the color of the text in the HTML document to blue or #0000FF. HTML. Head. Title text attribute /title /head. Body color teal, text blue. This is an HTML document. /body /HTML. Output of the HTML code for text attribute. Left margin and top margin attributes. You can specify the width of the margin from the left and top edge of the web page using the left margin and top margin attributes respectively. Syntax: body left margin value topmarginvaluebody, where value is the value of the margin you want to put in your web page. Given below is an HTML code to set the top margin to 100 pixels and the left margin to 150 pixels. HTML. Head. Title margin /title /head. Body color equals teal text blue, top margin 100, left margin 150. The top margin is set to 100 pixels and the left margin is set to 150 pixels. /body /HTML. Output of the HTML code for margins in a web page. More HTML elements. You have just studied about the necessary tags of an HTML document. Other than these, there are many other elements which are used to create and format an HTML document. Break element. Just like you press Enter key in Microsoft Word to create a new paragraph, in HTML, the break element BR is an empty element which is used to insert a break in a line of an HTML document. Any text that is entered after the BR element is displayed in the next line of the web page. Given below is an HTML code to enter a break between lines of a web page. HTML. Head. Title break element /title /head. Body color equals teal, text equals blue, top margin equals 100, left margin equals 150. This is some text. BR, this is the text after the break element. /body /HTML. Output of the HTML code for break element. Thematic break, horizontal rule, element. The horizontal rule element HR inserts an extended break with a horizontal line between two different paragraphs in the body of an HTML document. Given below is an HTML code to enter a thematic break in an HTML document. HTML. Head. Title thematic break element /title /head. Body color teal, text blue, top margin 100, left margin 150. This is some text. BR. This is the text after the break element. HR. This is some text after the thematic break element. /body /HTML. Output of the HTML code for horizontal rule element. Paragraph element. The paragraph element P is a container element which is used to define a paragraph in an HTML document. Any web browser in which you view your web page inserts a line before and after each paragraph. With the paragraph P element, you can use the align attribute which defines the position of the paragraph on the web page. The default value of this attribute is left, but you can choose from the right, left or center options. Given below is an HTML document to enter a paragraph in the P element with different alignment attributes. HTML. Head. Title paragraph element /title. Body color teal, text blue, top margin 100, left margin equals 150. P align left. This paragraph is left aligned. P align center. This paragraph is center aligned. /P. P align right. This paragraph is right aligned. /P. Body. HTML. Output of the HTML code for paragraph element. There is a difference between the BR, P and HR elements, which is the BR element breaks a line, the P element breaks a paragraph and inserts a blank line, and the HR element breaks a paragraph and inserts a horizontal line in the web page. Difference between the BR, P and HR elements. Heading elements. The heading elements are used to define heading of a paragraph in a web page. There are 6 levels of headings from H1 to H6, which goes from the largest font H1 to the smallest H6. While displaying any heading, the browser in which you are viewing your web page adds a line before after the heading, same as the paragraph P element. You can use the align attribute with the heading element. The default value of this attribute is left and you can choose from the right, left or center options. Given below is an HTML code to enter headings of different font sizes and alignments. HTML. Head. Title headings / title. Head break time, body color pink, text green. H1 alignment of this heading is default. /H1. H2 align left, this heading is left aligned. /H2. H3 align center, this heading is center aligned. /H3. H4 align right, this heading is right aligned. /H4. H5 align right, this heading is right aligned. H5. H6 align left, this heading is left aligned. /H6. /body. /HTML. Output of the HTML code for heading elements. HTML formatting elements. There are various elements in HTML that can be used to change the font, size, color and style of the text in an HTML document. Bold, italic and underline element. The B, I and U elements are container elements which can be used to bold, italicize and underline some text which you want to highlight in the web page. Given below is an HTML code to format text in an HTML document. HTML. Head. Title font attributes / title. /head. Body color pink, text green. PB, this is a paragraph which is bold. /P/P. PI, this is a paragraph which is italicized. /I/P. PU, this is a paragraph which is underlined. /U/P. PBIU, this is a paragraph which is bold, italicized and underlined. U/I/B. Body. HTML. Output of the HTML code for font elements. Subscript, superscript and strike-through elements. The sub and strike are container elements which are used to display text as subscript, e.g. this text is subscripted. Display the text as superscript, e.g. this text is superscripted, and strike through the middle of the text, e.g. this text is stroked through, respectively. Given below is an HTML code to format text in an HTML document. HTML. Head. Title other font elements / title. Head. Body color pink, text green. This text is subscripted / sub-br. This text is superscripted / sub-br. This text is stroked through / strike. /body. /HTML. Output of the HTML code for sub and strike elements. Center element. To align all the text or objects to the center of the web page at once, the center element is used. Given below is an HTML code to center align the text in a web page. HTML. Head. Title center element / title. /head. Body color pink, text green. Center, this text is center aligned. /center. /body. /HTML. Output of the HTML code for the center element. Font element. The font element is a container element which allows you to change the font type, size or color of the text in an HTML document. You can insert many attributes and their values in this element. Some of these attributes are listed in the following table. Face. Specifies the font face of the text in a web page. Examples are Comic Sans, MS, Calibri, Cambria and so on. Color. Specifies the color of the text. Size. Specifies the size of the text font ranging from 1 to 7. Size 7 represents the highest, while 1 represents the lowest size. Given below is an HTML code to change the font of the text in a web page. HTML. Head. Title font / title. Head. Body top margin 100, left margin 100, color pink. Font face Bodoni font of this text is Bodoni/font_br. Font size size of this text is 4/font_br. Font color green color of this text is green/font_br. Font face Cambria size 5 color red formatting is applied on the text. /font. Body. HTML. Output of the HTML code for font element and its attributes.